Here comes our next question. The topography of Plateau is ideal for generation of hydropower. Which of the following statements is correct? Lava and magma both have gas. This statement is correct. Which one of the following is the example of sedimentary rock? The example of sedimentary rock is Laos. A option is correct here. Here comes our next question. Mica is found in which one of the following pairs of rocks? It found in schist and gneiss. The option is correct. The Mohorovičić discontinuity separates. It separates crust and mantle. Suppose if we measure the time lapse between the two sunsets by sitting in the beach, from this we can estimate the radius of the earth. What is the international date line? International date line, it is the 180 degree longitude. Earthquake is caused by disturbance of earth's surface. The highest grade and best quality coal is anthracite. The option is correct. River erosion is at its greatest where rivers flow is fast. In which of the following is the Great Barrier Reef located? Great Barrier Reef is located at Coral Sea. Option is correct. The term epicenter is associated with. It is associated with earthquakes. What is the scale used for measuring the intensity of the earthquake? The scale is Richter scale. Option is correct. Equator represents imaginary line passing round the earth midway between north and south poles. B option is correct. The acceleration due to gravity at the equator is less than that at the poles. A option is correct. The Pacific Ring of Fire is associated with. It is associated with volcanoes and earthquakes. C option is correct. Which one of the following rivers forms an estuary? The rivers that forms an estuary is Tapti. B option is correct. How much of Earth's land surface is desert? Earth's land surface that is desert is 1/3 of Earth. C option is correct. What percentage of world's fresh water is stored as glacial ice? The percentage is 73%. The approximate circumference of the earth is, it is 25,000 kilometers. Desertification can be checked by checking over grazing. In an iceberg floating in the sea, out of 10 parts of its mass, how much will remain above the surface of the water? It will remove only 1 part. A day is added when one crosses. A day is added when the equator from the south to earth. A option is correct. When does the moon come between the sun and the earth? During solar eclipse. B option is correct. The latitude of a place is expressed by its angular distance in relation to equator. A option is correct. Hanging valley is very common in glaciatic areas. The word dendritic is associated with. It is associated with rivers. When the earth is at maximum distance from the sun, it is called aphelion. A option is correct. The scale that measures the intensity of earth called Richter scale. B option is correct. The main source of usable water on the earth is underground water. Which of the following rivers lies in a rift valley? The river is Tapti. What is meant by isthmus? The thing that meant by isthmus is narrow strip of land dividing two oceans. C option is correct. Next question. Natural embankments found on upper valley sides are known as levees. B option is correct. Volcanoes are scattered on the islands. Which of the following minerals are required for smelting iron ore? The mineral that are required are manganese and limestone. One of the following is not the result of underground water action is fjords. The innermost layer of earth is known as asthenosphere. C option is correct. The temperature of water at the bottom of a large waterfall is higher than that of the water at the top because the kinetic energy of the falling water is converted into heat. C option is correct. Which one of the following is an igneous rock? Granite is an igneous rock. The greatest erosive power of a river is associated with meanders. Meanders, B option is correct. What is the epicenter of an earthquake? Earthquakes, it is epicenter is the point on the earth's surface vertically above the seismic focus. The main cause of recurring flood is soil erosion, deforestation and silting of river beds. The option is correct. Which one of the following is the greatest circle? The greatest circle is equator. In the context of time, GMT means Greenwich Mean Time. B option is correct. Which of the following is a typical feature of river erosion in youthful stage? It is gorge. B option is correct. Which one of the following is not the result of underground water action? It is fjords. D option is correct. Which one of the following is an unpredictable natural disaster? It is earthquake. The natural gaps across the mountains which provide routes are called. These are called passes. The option is correct. Flash floods are associated with. These are associated with cyclonic storms. Tundras are cold deserts. C option is correct. The rapid sliding of large masses of bedrocks is called. It is called landslide. A option is correct. Which type of lake is formed by volcanic activities? The lake is caldera lake. Earthquakes are generally associated with faults. B option is correct. The Tropic of Cancer does not pass through Nepal. Mounds of sand formed by wind action are called. These are called dunes. The rate of deforestation is high in temperate zone. Ice glaciers melting is a common phenomenon linked to the rise in seawater level. The glaciers are predominantly present in Antarctica. B option is correct. The angle between the magnetic meridian and the geographical meridian at a place is declination. C option is correct. Next question. Lake formed in a cut of river meander is called. It is called Oxbow Lake. C option is correct. Sandstone is metamorphosed to quartzite. C option is correct. Moraines are formed in glacial regions. C option is correct. The Himalayan mountain range is an example of fault mountain. Breaking down of rock in situ is known as weathering. The cup-shaped mouth of the volcano is crater. C option is correct. The stagnant water at the bottom of a lake is called hypolymian. D option is correct. The formation of mushroom rock in desert region is an example of abrasion. C option is correct. Obsidian, andesite, gabbro and peridot are. This question will be answered by you in the comment section. Next question. Which one of the following is a sedimentary rock? It is Arkose, that is a sedimentary rock. Hydraulic action is a type of erosion caused by running water. Which of the following is the newest geological era? It is Cretaceous, that is a newest geological era. Spot the odd item in the following. Odd item is basalt. Which one of the following is an organic rock? It is coal, that is an organic rock. The mountain formed on the earth crust due to tension is called block mountain. Spot the odd item of the following. Odd item is marble. B option is correct. Next question. Solar eclipse occurs when the moon comes between the sun and the earth. Rift Valley is formed between two faults. Widening of a river valley takes place due to lateral erosion. Which type of lake is formed by volcanic activities? The lake is caldera lake. Nappe is a kind of folded structure. B option is correct. The area which is resistant to any massive structural transformation is called sealed. The option is correct. The area marked by internal drainage. The area is deserts. Why is the South Pole colder than the North Pole? Because high altitude. A option is correct. An earthquake is also known as tremor. B option is correct. Which one of the following rivers crosses the Tropic of Capricorn twice? The river is Limpopo. B option is correct. Willow was for a cricket bat is obtained from. It is obtained from deciduous forest. The longest river in Asia is this is river Yangtze. B option is correct. Next question. The equator does not pass through which of the following countries? It does not pass through Mexico. The majority of Earth's crust is composed of which rock? It is composed of igneous. A option is correct. The largest forest which covers 25% of world's forest land is. It is the tropical rainforest. A option is correct. It is Taiga forest of Siberia. B option is correct. Next question. The graded profile of a river course is a smooth curve from source to mouth. A option is correct. Sinkhole is a phenomenon of dash topography. It is a phenomenon of karst topography. The option is correct. Earthquakes are caused by tectonism. B option is correct. The earth completes one rotation on its axis in 23 hours 56 minutes and 4.9 seconds. A option is correct. Granite quartzite areas have upstanding look because not easily worn down. The option is correct. In mountainous areas, a natural cause for road blocks is often landslides. Which of the following refers to white salt with covers the land in some areas during dry season? It is Reh. Meanders are the feature formed by rivers. B option is correct. Uneven distribution of isolation on the earth is mainly due to the spherical shape of the earth. A option is correct. Equinox occurs when the sun is vertically above equator. The option is correct. An equinox is when day and night are of equal length. A option is correct. Dash is the thinnest layer of the earth. The thinnest layer of the earth is crust. C option is correct. Why the earth is having its own atmosphere? Why the earth is having its own atmosphere? Because of gravity. C option is correct. The minimum short term natural hazard is it is a bolt of lightning. Molten rock below the surface of the earth is called magma. A landscape which is caused due to the fissure in the earth along which one side has moved down with reference to the other is known as Rift Valley. Sinkhole is a phenomenon of karst. D option is correct. The granite rocks get metamorphosed. They form gneiss. B option is correct. The disconnected lines drawn on a map for showing slope is Hecure. D option is correct. Next question. A group of interconnected islands is known as. It is known as archipelago. C option is correct. The term Daob means a land between two rivers. Magnetic meridian is a plane passing through the magnetic north and magnetic south of Earth. The option is correct. Isolines joining places of equal rainfall are called. These are called isohyds. A option is correct. Which of the following is not an igneous rock? It is dolomite. That is not an igneous rock. If speed of rotation of the earth increases, the weight of the body decreases. A option is correct. The landforms formed by wave erosion is cave. C option is correct. A drainage pattern where a river is joined by its tributaries approximately at right angles is trellis. B option is correct. The core of the earth is also known as barosphere. C option is correct. The rock that results from solidification of molten lava from a volcano is an example of which of the following? It is an example of igneous rock. A broad low embankment built up along the banks of a river channel during floods is called levee. What process takes place during the youthful stage of a river? The process is valley deepening. C option is correct. Winds blowing constantly in one direction in rocky deserts form yardungs. C option is correct. Next question. What is the mean temperature of Earth. Mean temperature of Earth is 16 degrees Celsius. What is the position of Earth when it is at the greatest distance from the Sun? It is the position aphelion. The option is correct. Atmosphere pressure exerted on Earth is due to gravitational pull. Which one of the following has the highest wind velocity? It is tornado. The option is correct. The speed of wind is measured by anemometer. Trade winds are due to convection. Ozone hole is the atmosphere is largely caused by the presence of chlorofluorocarbons. The option is correct. The term roaring 40s is related to the Westerlies. C option is correct. The line on a map connecting points of equal temperature at a given time is a isotherm. The option is correct. Where does most of the weather phenomena take place? It takes place in troposphere. The option is correct. Very strong and cold icy winds that blow in the polar regions are called blizzards. C option is correct. Condensation is the reverse of vaporization. A option is correct. Daily weather changes in the atmosphere are associated with troposphere. Tropical storm in Chinese Sea is known as typhoon. Conventional rainfall occurs in equatorial region. Land and sea bridges occurs due to convection. B option is correct. Trade winds blow from the subtropical high pressure. C option is correct. Equatorial regions experience hot and humid climate. What happens to atmospheric pressure with increase in altitude? It decreases. B option is correct. Mediterranean type of climate is characterized by dry summer and wet winter. A option is correct. Which of the following winds is called anti-trade wind? It is Chinook that called anti-trade wind. The option is correct. The solar radiation coming to Earth is called isolation. Hailstorms are caused due to freezing. Blizzards are characteristic features of Antarctic region. C option is correct. If there is no carbon dioxide in the Earth's atmosphere, the temperature of Earth's surface would be less than the present. C option is correct. Name the continent where tundra type of climate is not found. It is not found in Africa. C option is correct. Which one of the following is not the example of planetary winds? It is Chinook. The option is correct. The climate of North America is influenced during winter by the tropical Armaceae. The option is correct. Storms of gases are visible in the chromosphere of the sun during solar eclipse. The option is correct. Recharging of water table depends on relief of the area. In atmosphere, the lowermost layer is troposphere. The option is correct.